Hey, how are you doing guys? Welcome to the channel again. A short video to ask your feedback. We are thinking about doing a live stream on March 14th or 15th, and we're gonna do a live Arch install. You know, when I do the tutorials, you see me going through by points, but I don't have much time to explain everything because otherwise the tutorial will be much longer. So I thought doing a live stream with an Arch install will give also me more time to explain you guys a little bit more about the commands and understand the commands, and also understand a little bit more about the Arch Linux structure. So let me know what you think about that. We will do two streams possibly. One is going to be on the early afternoons, like 1 p.m., 2 p.m. European time. And the second one is going to be late in the evening, so like 8 p.m. for the people who are living in the US. So let me know what you think about that, if you're interested in this live stream. And if we have enough requests, we will definitely do that. And I wish you a great weekend, guys, and I'll go back working on my next video. Bye.